All right, what's up guys? So today, sorry for the noise in the background. I got my heater working, Harbor Freight special. Doing pretty well so far. See how it goes. But we're gonna do bump stops on the 96 Cherokee. It's my mom's Jeep, and they just rotted and fell apart. The only ones I could find were this bright orange color, so I don't even know if they're gonna work that well. I think they were only like 20, 50 bucks. But we're gonna put them in. I did have to drill out one of the holes for the mounting because the bolt broke off. It did the same process as I did for the shock mounts. And if you need to see that, I'll put a link in here. And for that video, and got new ones, got new bolts, gonna anti-seize the crap out of them, and we'll go from there. All right, so these are the new ones here. They're bright orange. They seem a little hard plastic, so I don't know how these are working well or not. The other ones I've had before have been kind of rubbery, so these ones are like a hard plastic. So not sure how well that's gonna work, but we'll put them on just to keep my mom from breaking her springs or whatever. But anyways, I'll show you what I got going. All right, so those were the bump stops mount. See that guy there, I had to drill it out. That one came out fine, and the two over here came out fine. That's what was left of them, just the metal backer plate. So, point of the bump stop is to keep the springs and shocks from compressing too much and damaging either the shocks or bending the springs. My XJ, my 89, you can see it by the front leaf, I've actually overflexed mine and bent them upwards. I've got revolver shackles on the back of mine, and it has a lot more flex than this thing does. So I got to replace the springs and then put in new bump stops because mine are gonzo as well. So, like I said, drilled and tapped that guy out, cleaned the threads on this one. You can see there's the bolts I used for the shocks. Using this basically the same bolts. It was the same entire process for everything. And now we're gonna get them put back in. All right, so there you have it. Bump stops are in. They're in there, just two bolts, real simple. Helps protect your springs from getting damaged and your shocks. And also helps protect the body from getting rubbed on by tires and everything else. So they're kind of important. Most people overlook them. If you do a lift, you do want to get extended ones just to make sure you're accommodating for all that. And that's pretty much it. So real quick video, hopefully you liked it. If you do, hit that like and subscribe button, and check out all my other videos and playlists that I've got, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.